Welcome once again. We shall now begin the question and answer session. Request you to please identify yourself.
Whatever questions you would like to ask. Anybody? Hi.
Good afternoon. What you said was very, very much in vogue. Like I've been seeing white faces throughout years. And that was good. I was expecting sometimes it would turn to brown and gold after a long time, but it has happened.
It's gold and everything is gold.
Oh, he used to have fashion events where one looked like the other with white face. And then for photography, it was like white and whatever the clothes were. Thank you. We'll be walking the... Okay, I'm nervous what I have to say. You'll be walking the international... you'll be representing the Indian film, I would call it that. Yes. That is what more like it. The Bollywood being the word which is used. And we, of course, applauded as, of course, representing the law as far as that. Now, we have seen that all fabulous gowns, of course, but there could be a change, if at all, not today, not tomorrow, next year, maybe year after, that Indians could carry, maybe made of handlooms, and I'm sure stand out along or away from the other people. Yeah.
Honestly, I've tried to do that every year. I've worn a sari in Cannes for an important event. At the opening, I wore a lace Indian embroidery, and it was made by Anamika Khanna, Marwari designer who's from Calcutta. And she's very Indian, and her sari is very Indian, and I tried to and it got great reviews abroad as well. And I was very proud to wear a sari last year at Cannes. And this year, again, we're trying to do something, but there will always be an Indian element. It doesn't matter whether it's on the red carpet or Cannes or anywhere else. But since the first year that I've been representing the Indian film industry at Cannes, I've always been an element of India. So the first year I did a masala designer. The second year I did for the press conference, I wore a sari again. Do that as much as I can. But thank you. I will more time.
You're better off, and I'm sure we will see those pictures. And in the meantime, hope you meet you remember.
I would love to meet her. She's beautiful.
Hi, Sonam.
Hi. Where are you?
Hi. How are you?
Very good.
Looking stunning. And I would like to ask you,
yes.
How for you, because we keep on seeing you every time, you really make it a different. But how come it's different this time than compared to...
Okay, so every year I try to spot a trend that is actually relevant in India as a... So even if following world trends on the red carpet, to do what is significant in the Indian market where my makeup and what I feel Indians will be able to carry on. So this year again, even L'Oreal Paris is trying so hard to create before going to the red carpet so that I spot certain. We go through all this effort and do these photo shoots. Bollywood heroines last year, the yesteryear heroines. Indian trends abroad, so every year we're trying to change something and make some.
So what's special is the Law Lumiere collection, very relevant for India. We've shot a campaign with her for, print and outdoor and all of that. So that's the big
Hi. Namrata, आपसे मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि आपने
we go from really all the spectrum. And these three different shades actually will go on any skin tone.
A quick question to Mansi from L'Oreal here. Hi, Janvi from Time. Katasha, the brand ambassador recently, she was very excited about wanting to walk carpet. And can you tell us what happened and why she's not on your list this year?
Well, Katrina is very much going to be on the red carpet.
Well, can I be very honest? It's a lot of fun because usually when I am doing a lot of press in India or anywhere else in the world, it's always for something really stressful, like my movie or my brand or something or the other. But this is just about, even though one day I would love film or something to do with the industry, but this is just about looking beautiful, representing your country and having a lot of fun. There are great parties. It's a dream, and without the stress involved. So it's a 3-day holiday that I'm really looking forward to.
And also to answer your question, all the celebrities on L'Oreal Paris are there at Cannes every year. So it's also a time for them to get together, to speak. We also do some launches, shoots, So it's a good time for the brand. Well,
Last year we did a beautiful lipstick commercial, and I don't know if you guys have seen it, but there were like 10 of us in the lipstick commercial, and it was so exciting to meet everybody, and so exciting. I was so excited. I've met Julianne Moore. I've met all these like beautiful French models and French actresses and international actresses and actors, and you see that you realize that you're living in such a bubble, and the world is so big, and the bigger you are, the more humble you are, and modesty that you have. I thought it was one of the most, it's incredible. They're all there for the brand, so everybody is like really having a good time. They're not stressed that it's my movie premiere or something, like being glamorous and movie stars and looking beautiful and having lots of champagne and having conversation. So it's great.
सोनम सामने आपकी है।
कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बढ़िया। आप कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल अच्छी हूँ।
पूरी बेबी डॉल लग रही हैं आप। आपको नहीं लगता कि ये टाइटल आपको मिलना चाहिए था बेबी डॉल का?
I don't know. Thank you, I guess.
ओके तो ये सारे पोस्टर मैंने देखे और सामने आप लाइव हमारे सामने मतलब कि काफ़ी चमकती हुई बॉडी लग रही है आपकी। तो ऐसी मतलब चमकती हुई बॉडी बनाने के लिए क्या क्या बॉडी पे, मेरा मतलब है कुछ दूध, दही, घी, मक्खन, आइसक्रीम, इनमें से कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेती हैं आप? एक सेकेंड जवाब तो देने दो, फिर हमें क्यों बुलाया?
I use L'Oreal products. Thank you for your interesting questions. Thank you so much for coming here and for interesting questions. मैं अपनी सेहत का बहुत और मैं L'Oreal products use करती हूँ and all.
ओके और एक जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं आपके भैया हर्ष बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में डेब्यू
हम L'Oreal Paris के बारे में बात करें और मेरे बारे में बात करें, भाई के बारे में नहीं बात करना चाहती हूँ। शुक्रिया।
Sonam, hi.
Hi.
Sonam, you were a part of a landmark movie last year, Milka Bagh, which can you hear me?
Yeah.
Which ended up winning almost all the awards, wherever it went. But you didn't award for the same. Is that a cause of concern?
Because I had a 20-minute role in it. I had a special appearance in the film.
Okay.
It's about Milkha Singh, and I did my very best in the movie, and I don't know, I guess Farhan Khan, he was running, so he won the award, and he did a job, and Rakesh Mehra did a great job as well. This is an award. He got a national award for Rang De for Delhi's Bhag Milkha Bhag, and I'm just really part of award-winning films, including Ranjana.
Right. Now that you're a part of 2 award-winning movies, will we see you hiking your
See my what?
hiking your fees, upping your fees?
I think it's not fees and money, and can girls ask me questions, because boys ask money and what I eat and my skin, if I have ghee to make my skin look chummy. So can the girls ask me?
Sonam, hi.
Oh, thank God.
Renuka from Bombay Times.
I know who you are. How are you?
I'm good. Sonam, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
I won't say your skin is but you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you, Renu.
And you are always different. You've always been different. You're who is diplomatic. You speak your mind. And told us that she loved you for that.
Okay.
And she said, very few
Okay.
speak what they feel. And you're
Yeah.
one of them. Proof which was made on you so well on